CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at CRCL, bro, I've done so much coverage on CRCL, but it doesn't mean that I'm immediately going to still buy, right? But having done well over 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience and a lot of freaking, yeah, I have 38 receipts in the Discord with CRCL. At the beginning it was nice, then it pumped like to $300 from $70. This is crazy, you know, this for me is like crazy to just assume, but I'm not gonna randomly buy unless I see a full-on candle close, you know what I mean? So if there is a double break above 165, not only once but then a double, I can have this short like little swing that I have a very I'm very like risk averse, so break even is going to be put, and then intraday trades can also be longs, very similar to HIMS, which is still pending. But if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated. Goodbye.